This boat is a pre-owned vessel, a used boat that is for sale at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. It's a 2006 Crownline. The model is a 260 bow rider. A very big bow rider boat that was always used right here on Lake Hopatcong. It's the model 260 LS Crownline. Has a seating capacity of 14 people. You can see the two seats are swivel seats with tie-rise bolsters that flip up. That's true of both seats, captain's seat and passenger seat. Has a nice big head compartment with a marine flush head. Port light for lighting in the window, faucet with pressure water system. A nice layout on the dashboard, tachometer, speedometer, got a digital depth sounder, a Ritchie compass. A lot of room in the bow rider compartment for comfortable seating, drink holders, Sony stereo speakers, grab handles, stainless steel bow rails. A really comfortable boat used in freshwater on Lake Hopatcong. You can see the big cockpit, the seating in this area, the rear lounge sun pad, got a bimini top, removable snap-in carpet, Mercruiser engine with a Bravo 3 twin propeller outdrives. Boat is available at MarineMax, Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey.